In the next, I would like to show you basic coordination where I use eighth note triplets with the snare drum and the hi-hat. I'm going to start out playing 1 beat up here and 2 beat down in the hi-hat. I'm going to slow down the tempo quite a bit because technique-wise it's a bit hard for your left foot to kind of keep on with these like double strokes with your leg. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one here, gonna start out with the hi-hat and 1 in the snare drum and back to the hi-hat. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one where I have 2 beats down here in the hi-hat, gonna be the 2 first 8th note triplets here and then 1 up in here, your snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 2 up in your snare drum, still 8th note triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the second 8th note triplet down in the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the downbeat in the hi-hat is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 1 in your snare and 1 in your hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next here, I would like to show a combination of 2 beats in your snare drum, 2 beats in your hi-hat, still using the 8th note triplet. This kind of grouping, or this kind of figure, kind of creates what we also call a half note triplet. A half note triplet sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when that's put on the drum set with this figure using 8th note triplets, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. or starting with 2 beats down the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or just playing 1 beat up here and then directly into 2 beats down here. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or starting with 1 beat down here in your hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another figure which also creates the same kind of half note triplet feeling is using 3 8th note triplets here and 1 down here. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, the earlier figure, you can also move this one around. I'm going to start it out with 1 hi-hat beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or starting out with 1 snare drum beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, starting out with 2 beats in your snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4.